So first I'm gonna go in my room and start coughing. I'll probably text him like my chest hurting and all that. Jank right here. I'm in the back. The jank right here.
Mom, call the ambulance. Oh my. Mom, call the ambulance.
Roll up G, smoking dope, can't go to sleep. It's about 4. Roll up, I had to roll up. Killers roll up in a photo. She eat the deep fruit roll up. With the fruit roll up.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Trail, and I'm back here with another video. And as you can tell by today's title and thumbnail,
we all fall.
So it's not nice. Come here.
Say it, spit it out. What is it exactly? The pain is the amount.
I already know what we got going on. Look, I'm gonna give y'all the rundown. So first, like, he upstairs right now, by the way. So first, I'm gonna go in my room and start coughing. I don't know how I'm gonna get him downstairs, but my little brother know, like, he in on it. So I'm gonna get him like to come downstairs, and I'll probably text him like my chest hurting and all that. Then like I'm gonna get Vail is my little brother. I'm gonna get him to tell me when he on the way so I can, you feel me? The jank right here. I'm in the back. The jank right here. Shout out Mitchell, cause I got this video from him basically. He did it on me and Dre. But look, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm in the bathroom. I gotta talk low cause he out there. I already told him that my chest was hurting and I got the blood in there. This hours later cause like he had left. But look, I got on my brother's shirt. This ain't love cause I don't want man to get blood on it, so I don't know if it come out the clothes. So I had to put this Jane on and I got the head on. But look, y'all, hopefully he react crazy. He already showed it like he was good. But make sure y'all like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I need some water. How much? That's hurt. I call it a TFL. I already prank him on how to get him in here.
He's easy right now.
He has to be more.
Anybody don't come down.
It's like he's gonna come
Yeah. It's gonna be cool.
Yeah, he can.
Yeah, you know.
You should wait till like tomorrow.
I'm ready to just hit my dad.
But he's not gonna come down.
What you gonna run it upstairs
There's no.
and put the camera with that? Let you go across.
Oh, you got the bracelet. I'm coming.
So tell him, Vail. Bro, we so confused right now, bro. What to do? He upstairs. That's what we was basically talking about. But I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna hit y'all when we ready to do it.
Oh,
I told you.
nothing wrong with crab, bro. Nothing wrong with crab. Take your medicine.
You said take your photo shower.
You gotta put something on. It's too cold for you.
Yeah, take it right before the shower. You can take it now.
I took a shower earlier. Taking that one right quick.
No, take that.
Mom, call the ambulance. Oh my. Dad. Mom, call the ambulance.
Hey, bro.
Right. Don't call her. Yes, call her. Don't dance, man. You ain't gotta call her. You alright? You ain't gotta call her. I'm alright. No, sit down. You gotta go, son. You can't be throwing up blood.
I'm alright. No,
Breathe.
don't call him, man. You know what that is.
I'm alright. Alright, stay right there.
What was it?
Let me wipe this mouth. That's fake.
That's fake blood, man. Grandma gonna have a real heart attack. That shit's real, man.
Mama, oh, look at my shirt.
Hey, bro, that was a crazy video, bro. Look at my shirt, bro. But look, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe so I can get monetized and I can pay for a new t-shirt, you know, like I'm kind of poor, you know. So look, make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, you know what to do, bro. Smash that subscribe button and we go.
Okay, bye.
And when I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow.